Like, I just want to throw this in the garbage right now, because why would y'all play with me like that? Hey y'all, today we're gonna be doing a what I ordered versus what I got video, and this is from LovelyWholesale. I know y'all probably be seeing their videos around. I've never ordered from them before. This is my first time. Opened the package yesterday, tried the stuff on, and everybody, I feel like in their videos they always be like, just make sure you read the reviews, read the reviews. I read the reviews for everything I get, hoping that, you know, it'll be good. And yeah, y'all will see how it looks. Okay, so to start, I'm just gonna show y'all how it came to me. It came in this bag, and then one item came separately in another bag. This is the item that came separately. And since I'm holding this one up, I'm just gonna show y'all this one first. This is the one I tried on first too. So it looks like this. I'm gonna show y'all how it looked when I ordered it and how it looked in real life. I hope this plastic not loud. This is how it looks. This is the material. This is the top of it. It looks like this. This is a large. Everything I ordered was in a large. And they look like they go all the way down. This was actually like, the material was a little different than expected, but like I could wear it to work out, you know. It's decent enough to wear to work out. I would say it's like a maybe 6, 7 out of 10, you know, being on the nice side. It was decent. As a set, it's decent, but just the pants, I wouldn't wear these by themselves, but together, I would wear it. I would wear it. And then next thing that we have, that was the first thing. Y'all see this? These are a large as well, as y'all can see. And these pants, okay, y'all hear the noise that they make. Okay, but on the inside, it's not the same material, so it's actually soft on the inside. And as y'all see, it's like 35% polyester, 65% cotton. I was looking at the, let's see if it focuses. There y'all go. I was looking at the material and everything when I ordered, but I like these. Y'all gonna see them on. They make that little noise and they go all the way down to the bottom. They kind of ruched a little bit at the bottom. They also got a zipper, but I didn't unzip them when I tried them on. But y'all see it's a zipper there. I actually like these. This was, I don't know if this is my favorite thing, but I like these a lot, you know. I like these. And then the next thing that we have are these. Now these, I'm not gonna lie, they are cute, but I expected them to be like cotton kind of, but they're not at all. They're more so like a windbreaker material kind of. Y'all know how windbreaker jackets be? They're kind of like that type of material. The bottom has this little cushion. I feel like this would be cute with, like, you know, a white tight fitted top. I got this in a large. It was almost like, it was a little bit, not really tight, but it was tighter on my thighs than it was, of course, on the rest of my legs. But I could wear them and I could move around on them. I feel like, I rated the first ones and then rate the rest. These I give about, you know, a good 9 out of 10. And then these probably an 8 out of 10 because they're actually cute. And like, I like the material. I just didn't, not really like the material, but I just didn't expect them to be this type of material. But I like them. They're good. They're good. And I like the pop of orange. This would be real cute. It's like some orange hat top ones. This next thing, don't even get me started. Y'all gonna see in the picture. They did this so wrong. And y'all, let me tell you, I was so blue because after I ordered it, I watched one of these videos and I saw the same, and I saw how it was, and I was like, but I had ordered it already, so I'm like, zuh, it's too late. But first of all, on the bag it says Zaful, because y'all know everybody, they really all be getting their clothes from the same place. And like I told you, I ordered this from LovelyWholesale. It literally says Zaful on the bag, and it was supposed to be a corset, but it literally looks like this, y'all. So disappointing. It looks like a t-shirt. Like, it looks like a t-shirt. That girl did not have on no t-shirt in that picture. It just looks like this. Like, what is this? What is this? Somebody let me know down below. What is this? Because it's supposed to be a corset. Y'all know corsets don't be like this. It got the little thing, you know, and then they got the button. You clip it on like a corset, but it's not, the material is not corset material at all. Not even in the slightest bit. Like, baby girl, what's, so confused. But it did fit though. It fit. But it was not, it's just not a corset. It's not 2 out of 10. But the, like, not the material, the print is the same. It's the same print, you know. don't like that. I don't like stuff not being how it said it was gonna be. Next we have, okay, y'all, we got this jumpsuit. I know it's about to be springtime, but I ordered this literally like a month ago. I'm gonna put on the screen the date that I ordered it and then the day it came, because I forgot when I actually ordered it and I don't want to be sending y'all out, but it was like almost 3 weeks, I believe. This is decent quality. This is decent quality. This is a sweatsuit. It's these are the bottoms. They go all the way down to my ankles. They fit nice. I think they like joggers kind of, but they're looser. And I like pants like that. And then the top part, the sweatsuit, I forgot to show in the video, but it has pockets on the side actually, and it feels really nice. Like, I like this one, you know? This get a cool 9 out of 10. I don't know, I feel like I be kind of mean. Like, I'm not gonna say 10 out of 10 even though I like it. Like, I don't, it's weird. But I really do like these. I feel like everybody videos that I watched that had these, they said they liked it too. So I feel like this is good though. I don't want to say I was expecting more, but it's good. And then the next thing I got is this. What is this? Oh, okay, after this it's two more things left, y'all. Real cute, simple and sweet. This, I actually didn't even record the video to try these on yet because I couldn't find no swimsuit to record it with, because I didn't order no swimsuit, but clearly this will go with a swimsuit. And let me show y'all this as well, because like I said, everybody be getting their stuff from the same people. Trust me, I know. I'm not new to this, I'm true to this. Y'all see what that text say? Y'all see it. Y'all see it. But these are really cute. I wonder if they was cheaper on Shein. I'm gonna check. Do y'all be saying Shein or Shein? I don't know. But these are them. They are, I actually like these. They're, you know, nice material to wear on the beach with a swimsuit. I'm trying to put a little, you know, clip of them with me in them because I haven't found a swimsuit to put on with these. I have one, but it's too small. So I don't have one basically. The last thing that I got, which I like this. And this is how it looks. I had found this on another website and I seen it on there and I was like, oh, I might as well just do it all at once. And it's this dress. It's kind of ruched on the sides. Do it go all the way down? It don't go all the way to your ankles, but it go to almost to your ankles. Like, I'm not even gonna try to lift my leg all the way up there. But the back zips all the way up. Like, you can't see the zipper, but the zipper start, oh wow, the zipper start real low. Like, the zipper starts all the way down here and zips all the way up. And it got a little neck part. Y'all will see in the clip. And it's long sleeve. I feel like this would be real cute with some white heels, you know, or clear, or nude actually. But this was cute. I had been wanting just for a while, and like, y'all, I'm on my little weight loss journey. I swear, once it's gone, I already know that this is gonna be fire on me. Like, it's gonna be fire. I like this one a lot. We'll go ahead and say it. I'll go ahead and say it, y'all. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Because the material is nice and it's stretchy too. So like, I got a large, but I feel like if I would have got a medium, it wouldn't have really been a problem. Is this a large? I think it's a large. I'm sure I ordered everything a large. Yeah, it gotta be a large. But okay, those are all of the things that I ordered from them. And yeah, as y'all see, for the most part, low-key yesterday when I was trying to stuff on, I was like, I'm like, I don't like none of this. I don't like it. I don't like it. But looking back, low-key, the only thing that was really just terrible was this. Like, I just want to throw this in the garbage right now, because why would y'all play with me like that? I was so blue after I watched that girl video and I had already ordered it. Thought that was gonna be cute, but for the most part, low-key, everything else I did like, you know. So I guess I would say, I'm not gonna say read the reviews, because like I read the reviews and y'all see what happened to me. It was still the same old. But most of the stuff was good that I picked out, and I think that was because I read the reviews and I watched videos. If I wouldn't have done that, I probably would have been worse off. I probably would have had some other stuff, because it was other stuff that I had in my cart. But after I read the reviews, I was like, no. Or after I seen it in other people's videos, I was like, no, I'm not getting it, because I already see how it's gonna look in real life. So that's all I got.